Andrea, and today I'm going to show you how to make a box, a gift box for this lovely bracelet that I showed you how to make recently. And I've just worked out what size box I need. I need a 3x3 box with an insert and a lid. So for that I need a piece of 5x5 cardstock, a piece of 4x4 and a piece of 3 7/8 by 3 7/8. So I'm just going to get myself that. I'm just going to do that in white extra thick, wistful white extra thick. So I'm going to start off with my 5x5 piece. So 5x5. And then I need a piece that is 4x4. Use the 4x4. And then I need a piece that's 3 7/8 by 3 7/8. Let's see. Yeah, I can get that out there as well. 3 7/8 by 3 7/8. So what I need to do for my big piece is score it at 1 inch all the way round. This is going to be my box. Okay, so that's for the bottom of my box. Then for my 4x4 piece, which is going to be my lid, I'm going to move it slightly away from the edge and score it at 1/2 inch. Slightly away from the edge, 1/2 inch. Slightly away from the edge, 1/2 inch. Slightly away from the edge, 1/2 inch. And then for my insert piece, I'm going to score it at 1/2 inch. All the way around. And then on this line, this is going to be the top, so I'm just going to find my midpoint. So it's 3 7/8, so that's 1 1/2, and then 1 2 3 1/2. So we're sort of here at the 2 marks. I'm just going to move slightly across, and then I'm just going to go back and forward the same amount. So if we sort of say 2, I'm going to go back at 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I'm just going to put a little mark there. I'm going to forward 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, and I'm going to put a little mark there. So if we push it up to the edge, we've marked it at 1 1/4 and 2 3/4. Okay, just on that line there. Okay. And now what we'll do is we will fold and burnish those score lines. Just get my bone folder. Okay. And then we'll take scissors and we'll snip up the bottom right corner of every piece and just notch the flap in slightly. You don't have to notch in. So we're going to go up the bottom right of each piece, cut up to the first horizontal score line, and then just notch in the flap on the end. I'm going to get some Tombow, just because I find that liquid glue holds better than tape. put it on all the flaps on the outside, and then just fold them in and keep this side square with the score line. I'm going to sort of double them up. I want my bracelet to fit through. And it's better to do them like this, to do it in sort of 1/8 of an inch pieces, rather than do it a massive notch and then find that it's way too big. Ridiculous. That's fine. So you see, when it's in the, that'll fasten up at the back, and when it's in its case, it'll sit nicely. Okay, so I'm going to take that out again, and I'm just going to pop some glue on these flaps. The other thing you can do is you can just you can build up a circle in the middle so that it wraps around the circle in the box. I can also show you how to do that one, but for now I was just showing you the most simple way to do a box for a bracelet. And okay. So then that is going to fit inside the box almost perfectly. Can you see that? And then the lid goes on the top perfectly as well. And then that's going to be a lovely gift box for your bracelet, and you can decorate it however you see fit. Once it's got the bracelet attached to it, this piece will come out much more easily. Okay. So now you can work out decorating your box. So this is how I decorated my box. I got some pieces of perfectly played DSP, which is a lovely Christmassy tartan with a gold foiling in it, and this, because the box is 3 by 3, this is 2 7/8 by 2 7/8, and then I just added little pieces onto the sides of this box. So these are 2 7/8 by 7/8, and I just stuck those on. Then I got this gold, white and gold ribbon and a little jingle bell that jingles, and I just curled that ribbon around, threaded the jingle bell on, and then I just cut out, punched out a little Christmas tree tag, and I stuck it onto a punched white one so that it can be written on the back. So if I take this off, and I can just show you what I did inside. I just took a different paper. This one's got a little holly on it, and I just cut it in 2 7/8 by 2 7/8. Sorry, 2 3/4 by 2 3/4, and I just glued that on underneath where the bracelet's being held, and that's it. And if you wanted to, you could put little strips of that on the inside as well, or you could put just a green on the inside. You could get one long piece of green and just score it and fold it in and glue it in, so you don't have any joins showing on the inside. Do whatever you like. It's all up to you. But yeah, that was just the way I thought I'd decorate my little box. So, okay, so let's join me and I'll see you soon. Sorry about the sun shining through. Well, I'm not sorry, because it's lovely to see it. Bye bye.